SimPad can be used with simulators, task trainers, and standardized patients, or as a checklist. SimPad provides instructors maximum flexibility when facilitating a simulation. Its wireless configuration allows the instructor to choose where they control the simulation: at the bedside, from the control room, or on the move. Interventions are organized into categories that permit easy logging. Instructors tap the events to register them into the log. Simulators may automatically detect some events, such as pulse check, ventilation, and defibrillation. SimPad automatically timestamps these events in the log. Once the simulation is complete, the instructor may elect to open the data to support the debriefing.